Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how we can create a shortcut to quickly share Instagram Reels to our friends. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm gonna open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then we can choose any reel or post we want to share to our friends on Instagram. And for example, I'm just going to choose this post. We can click on the share button on any post or reel like this, and then if we want to create a shortcut, we can click on this plus icon. Let's say I'm going to share this Instagram post to some of my friends on Instagram. We can click on this plus icon, and then we can choose people. You can choose some people you want to add to your shortcut, and I'm just going to pick a random account here like this, and then we can click on create shortcut. So if we want to share if we want to share the Instagram reels or post to some friends, we just need to click on the shortcut like this, and then we can click on send separately. Okay, and then actually guys, you can change the emoji of the shortcut. If you want to change emoji, you can tap and hold on it, and then you can edit, and then you can choose the emoji here. But actually you can choose emoji before you create it. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. You can choose emoji here, and then you can click on save. Okay, and I'm going to create one more shortcut. Click on this plus icon, select people. Oops, you can select people like this, and then you can change the emoji. Okay, and click on create shortcut. At any time you want to share the Instagram reel, you just need to click on the shortcut, and then you can click on send separately. And if you want to delete the shortcut guys, you just need to tap and hold on it, and then you're going to click on delete. Okay, and the shortcut will be removed. Okay, you can tap and hold to delete and edit the shortcut you have just created on Instagram. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a shortcut to quickly share Instagram reels or posts to our friends. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.